Hello everybody, welcome to Caveman Math. Today we learning inverse. Inverse, solve 4 easy steps. 1. Stare at equation. Stare at equation. Number 2. Swap variables. Swap variables. 3. What is 3? You don't know what 3 is? You swap. You know, no, you know swap, I get you there. You do not swap. You isolate. Isolate constant. Isolate constant. Number 4. This is most important part. You do necessary algebra to isolate y. When you isolate y, you write in this form. You write in f of x negative 1 equals to your final answer. This is how you solve inverse. Now, a good example of how to solve would be in this basic example, which is g of x. G of x equals to 3x plus 6. This is good example because you can start swapping. X equals 3y plus 6. 6 go other side. Negative 6. 3y negative 6. Divide 3. You divide 3 by both sides, fix y is isolated. You must isolate y. When you swap the variables, you have to isolate for y. You want to get y alone, like a rockman in middle of night when pumas surround him in bushes. You get him. You do f of x to the power of negative 1 equals x negative 6 over 3. This is your final answer. You write it in this form. When you isolate from y, you solve in this form. Alright, next question. This is the hardest question you will face. Not really, there will be harder. Always harder. Always harder. First question. F of x equals x minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4. There are certain properties you must apply to this for it to work. First, you must swap like every other equation. Y minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4. Oh my god, so easy. Bring to the other side. 4 y minus 3 to the power of 2. Oh my god, what do I do here? I have y here in parentheses and I have x here. Oh my god, what do I do? Caveman brain tell you you must escape from this exponent. You root, therefore you root, because when you root, this disappear. So now you are just left with y minus 3. So what you do, when you do root, you have to do this root as well. If you do not do this root, you cannot solve. So you root. You also root this. When you root this, good, that means good. So you do y minus 3 equals to root of x minus 4. This happened. Y minus 3, this free x minus 4. Now you isolate your constant, which is negative 3. Oh my god. X minus 4. But this is plus or minus because it is root. Plus or minus, yes? And then positive 3 equals to y. This is your final answer. It is not your final answer, it is the second to last step of your final answer. Your final answer must be x minus 1 equals to this. So it's plus or minus root of x minus 4 plus 3. This is your final answer. So from this to this is your final answer. X negative 1 equal plus or minus x minus 4 plus 3. Good. I will solve one more example for you so you can learn all the different types of ways to solve inverses. We use this pen now because red pen get boring. Okay, h of x equals root x plus 2 plus 1. What do we do here? X plus 2 plus 1. Oh my god. You swap. You listen to caveman brain, you swap. X equals root y plus 2 plus 1. This can be solved now. You do x minus 1 equals root of y plus 2. Oh my god, this revelation, it is easier than creating fire. I trust in the process of swapping and solving. And isolate. You must isolate this y now. You see this y under the radical? You must find a way to isolate. How do we isolate this? Well, we do the reverse thing from where we did try to free our trapped body or trapped y in the to the power of 2. What did we do? We rooted it. So now we have to times this to the power of 2. So you do this to the power of 2. This is to the power of 2, so this must be to the power of 2 as well. Everybody happy now? When this gets freed, it is x minus 1 to the power of 2 equals y plus 2. This, oh my god, it is free finally. X minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 2 equal y. We have solved. Now you put f of x to the power of negative 1 equals x minus 1 to the power of 2 negative 2. Oh my god, this is the solve for this equation. I am glad that you rockmen and rockwomen out there have learned something from me. Please drop follow and share this video. I see you later.